It's MP, the Jamaican Greenface. Life can be so stressful, so lonely. Life is just a lonely road. Life is just a lonely road. People that come and go. People that come and go. Friends turn to foe. People that come and go. The ice around my neck, it glows. And I kill any nigga that's a foe. Friends, they turn to foe. People, they come and go. That's something you better fucking know. Don't act like you're not sensible. These niggas there will take your life without a thought. They fuck your bitch and call her a thought. Everybody know I'm in a drop robot. I'ma pull up with a motherfucking Glock. Hey, these niggas they fake. These bitches they be faker. They give a bun like they my baker. But you don't know I'm a fucking shaker. I'm ballin' just like the Lakers. Nigga, and you know people come and go. Hoes come and go. Niggas come and go. Friend turn to foe. And you better know. And you better know. Yeah. Friend turn to foe. Your bitch turn a fucking snitch. Your bro turn a fucking enemy, bruh. You better know they're liars. You better know Lucifer be in their soul. They wanna see your body in a hole. You're not a spliff dog, so you can't fold. Hey, you better know. People, they come and go. People, they come and go. You better know, bro. People, they be there for a while. They just wanna take away your smile. That's why you stay by yourself. Life is only a lonely road. Life is a lonely road. And you got to stick by yourself and obey your own fucking code. Life is a lonely fucking road. Yeah. They come and go. Because life is only a lonely road. So you better know what to do. Because they wanna take your life from you.